What's going on, guys? It's your boy Lil Pat coming in with a fire video right here, bruh. I'm gonna be showing y'all how to make music just like me, exactly like me, the Lil Pat process of making music. Um, maybe some people are curious, or actually maybe you just want to start making music and shit, and you just decided, oh yeah, let me check out how to make music just like Lil Pat. So thank you, bruh, for clicking on video and shit. I'm gonna get into the video, bruh. So I'm gonna tell you what you need, though. All right, you could pretty much do this, make music on any device, bruh. I'm on desktop right now, but I used to make music on my phone for like a year or two, like 3 years actually. So, but yeah, you're gonna need a device. I'm using my headset right now, my my Xbox headset, but you need like headphones and a mic, or like some earbuds with a mic on it, bruh. And you should be pretty good. That was a setup for me for a long time. Nothing wrong with it, bruh. So yeah, and also you're gonna need to go on BandLab and make a free account. I'm not affiliated with them at all, bruh. It's just what I use, bruh. And then you're gonna need a beat. And usually what I use to find beats is YouTube and this website right here. But we're gonna do that after. First, I'm gonna show you what this is about BandLab, bro. I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so once you make an account on BandLab, bruh, you're gonna want to start a new project. Should be pretty simple, bruh. And once you open up a new project right here, you can name it whatever you want. I'm gonna name it example song, something like that, bruh. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna find a beat, and I already have one right here. I already found a beat. Shout out to this dude, KJ2Turn. I've been subscribed to him for a little while. I've been checking out his beats for probably like a few months now. He's pretty dope. And I never used one, but yeah, I think they're pretty cool beats. What you're gonna want to do is you're gonna copy this. All right, you're gonna copy the URL link to this video or this beat right here, and you're gonna want to go to YouTube to MP3 converter, bro. What this is, it basically turns a YouTube video into an audio file, bro, on your device. All right, so I already did this, all right, but I'm gonna just show y'all what the process really is, bro. So put the link in there and convert it, and it'll say all this converting stuff. Now I must say this website is a little bit sketchy, bro. All right, so when you click download, it'll bring you to the website. Just close that website, close that other tab. It'll open another tab, just close it right away. You still get the beat. All right, so I'm gonna open up BandLab right here. All right, and we got the beat. We got the Cardi beat right here. Got the Cardi beat right here. I already had it before, but now we got it again. You know what I'm saying? So here we got the beat right here. And now, once you got the beat loaded in, we are gonna go to add track and drop in an voice/audio file. Now here, I use for my main vocals, bro, like the main bars and shit. Like the main thing I'm rapping about. Let me tell you guys about this stuff right here, all this like auto-tune and stuff. All right, so first I would recommend this 100%. I wish I knew this when I was starting out. Go to YouTube, all right, and look up BandLab vocal. Hold up, oh shit, my bad, shit's bugging. But just look up BandLab vocal preset, and it'll give you like a tutorial. Shit. So here's the collection of mine right here. Here's all my vocal presets. That's my favorite one right here. You guys could check it out right here. But basically, if you look up one of them tutorials, it'll tell you all this stuff right here, and all the numbers and shit, all the settings and stuff. It's basically auto-tune and shit. Make sure recording sound fire and shit. I wish I knew this earlier, bro. I didn't get into this like 2 years into my freaking music making, whatever, right? But de-esser, compressor, EQ, whatever, bro, noise gate, whatever, all this stuff. I don't even know half the stuff, right? I just put it in and it make me sound fire, all right? And also just auto-tuning stuff. I'm gonna use C minor, cause I like Travis Scott and shit. Sounds fire. Auto-tune, whatever. And usually I'm not gonna use this when I'm recording, but usually it's just like let you know how you sound and shit. Yeah, yeah. That'll probably come up weird on the recording, bro. My bad if it did. But anyways, bro, we're gonna come up with a little, I don't know, a little couple bars here. I usually just rap about some random shit, but this is like a singy songy type song. You know, it all depends on our beat, what type of song you're gonna make, bro. Yeah, right here we got the Cardi beat. You know, we're gonna rap about some Cardi stuff. And then after that, I'll show you how to make some fire ad-libs, bruh. So let's get into it.
3 hours later.
Alright, so hold up. My bad, I had the monitoring on. But this is what I got right here. Not gonna lie, that's pretty heat, bro. I might finish this after, but you notice my vocals seem a little quiet. You know, I'm not gonna lie, they sound pretty quiet. I feel like the beat is taking over the vocals. So I'm gonna hop on this thing right here. I'm gonna turn the beat down a little bit. I'm gonna turn my vocals up a little bit. Another thing you could do is you could go to your editor here, and you could turn up the region gain just a little bit. It'll up your vocals a little bit. I don't know. This is just how I make music and stuff. Alright, it probably don't sound the best. If you want to take it seriously, don't listen to whatever I'm doing.
Yeah, slow pal, I pull up with the money. Yeah, the ops looking hella funny.
Yeah, see how that is, bro? Alright, so now that my vocals are a little fixed, they're a little bit louder, you can hear me clearly a little bit. You know, the main vocals and stuff. I'm gonna show y'all how to do the ad-libs, bro. So what you're going to want to do is duplicate the track and you just delete the stuff that's on it. So now you have an exact copy of the main track of your main vocals, except there's no main vocals on it. It's just the same preset and shit. The same exact one, bruh. So it's pretty fire. And what I usually do for ad-libs, I just let it record, bruh. And as the bars go on, I just be like, yeah, hey. And I'm gonna show y'all real quick.
Yeah, slow pal, I pull up with the money.
Hey,
yeah, the ops looking hella funny.
Hey,
and the ops be hella gay.
Yeah,
almost every single day. Yeah, Lil Pat, I really be rapping. Lil Pat, I really make it happen. Yeah.
Oh shit, I dropped my keyboard, but we're good. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna listen to it real quick. Hold on.
Yeah, slow pal, I pull up with the money. Yeah, the ops looking hella funny. And the ops be hella gay. Almost every single day. Yeah, Lil Pat, I really be rapping. Lil Pat, I really make it happen. Yeah.
Alright, and you pretty much do that for about 2 minutes straight. You have a banger, bro. Another thing I'd like to add though is the lyrics. You can pretty much rap about anything, bro. What I do is I just look around, I see a fan. Yo, pull up on this fan talking shit about me, bro. Fan talking all that shit on it. So you know what I'm saying? You know, it's pretty simple. Make a little song. You just gotta, you know, you make a little cover for it. Put it in a video editor. You know, convert. You know, download it. You know, make sure you save your projects too, bro. Make sure you save them. Cause I lost too many bangers to freaking not saving your tracks, bro. Almost happened to me again recently. But that's gonna be it, bro. You know, it's pretty much how I make my music and stuff. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it all the way through the video, make sure you smash, comment, like, subscribe, and shit. You know, give me 100 subscribers. Been at like 97 subscribers for like 3 years now. Been rapping for 4 years now. So help me get that 100, bro. I'll be making more music and shit. Second channel dropping, man. Go check out my Instagram, SheLoveSnacks89, man. Go check me out everywhere, man. Go check my YouTube channel. Go check out my other songs, bro, and shit. And just how I make music and stuff. So hope I inspire everyone else to make some music. You know, no matter how serious music seems, you can still have some fun, bro. You know what I'm saying? So yeah.